Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change download quality on YouTube. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube app, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that click on settings on the top right of the screen. After that scroll down until you find an option called background and downloads. Click on it, and as you can see here there is an option called download quality. Click on it, and here you will have multiple options. The first one is that the app will ask you each time about the download quality that you want. The second one, if you want full HD, but you should know that it will take more data when downloading the video. The second one is high, maybe it's the best. Third one is medium, and the last one that I don't recommend is the low quality. So you can choose any one of them as you like, but for me I prefer that the app asks me each time. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.